Okay, so in the last class, we were doing these sums. Okay, we were doing the factorization sums. Okay, this is for the cubic equation we had done. Right? For the cubic equation. See, in this type of cubic equation, we were able to find the three zeros factors of the polynomial with this method. But in this case, we could not find. So we used the division method. Right? So these were the questions that we did. Here is the previous one. What if you come now? One second, it will come. So these were the questions we had done in the previous class. Okay. Now we will go. We will do. Let's see what is left in this exercise. So this was it in this exercise. So today we will be doing the algebraic identities. Okay. Let's come to algebraic identities. You all must remember the algebraic identities. So today's date is 18 April 24. So your first identity, that is x plus y the whole square. This you all know. The first four identities you have done in your previous class also, in your class 8 also. Okay. That is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Then you have x minus y the whole square equals to x square plus y square minus 2xy. See children, you must be thorough with your identities. Okay, identities are like formulae. Okay, you must be thorough with it and learn all these identities. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. Please note down all these identities in your notebook. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x in plus a into b. Okay. These are the four identities you have done in your previous class, is it? Do you remember? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are the four identities. Now, in addition to it, in this class, you will be studying four more identities, right? The ones which are new to you. So, you must learn these also. So, that is x plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay. The next identity, that is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube. Janvi, please write plus 3xy into x plus y. Janvi, I hope you have made a separate notebook for this class.
Okay, ma'am.
Please make a separate notebook, maths notebook for your online class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
X minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay. See, in this minus x minus y the whole cube, only the first term is positive, rest all are negative now. Okay. Minus 3xy, x minus y. Sometimes this identity is also written like this, 3x square y plus 3x y square. That comes when we open the brackets. Okay. Then your next identity, number 8, is this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z multiplied. See, this is inside the bracket, and then you have another bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. Right, children? These are the identities.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, please learn one more rule here. I'm giving you two more identities. That is identity number 9. That is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. Okay. Then your 10th identity is, and the last identity is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. All right. So when you are doing x cube plus y cube, you have plus here, but with x y term, you have a minus sign. Okay, and when you are doing minus, it is plus sign with x minus. This is the difference. Okay. Please note down all these identities. So these are the 10 identities I have given. Note them down. Now we will see how in this exercise, the last exercise, we will see how do we use these identities. Okay. In a very basic way, how do we use these identities? Have all noted this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yukta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have all noted this down?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have one small doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
like, is it possible, like, can you explain how did the fifth identity, which is x plus y plus z whole square, how did you get the answer? Because I'm confused about it.
Here now you learn the identity, and now we will do these questions from the exercise and you'll get to know. X
Okay.
plus y plus z, the whole square will give you x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay. Learn this identity and we'll do the sums. You'll get to know how do we use it.
Okay.
Right? These are the formulas, the identities. Means if we put the values of x, what do you mean by identity actually? Identities are those formulae, you can say, in which if we put the value, whatever value we put for x and y, it holds true for all values of x and y. Okay? For whatever value we put for x and y, the left side will always be equal to the right side. Okay? For all values. Suppose if I'm saying If I give you an example, I say x plus y is equal to 12. So if I put any value in x and y, would that give me 12? Or only specific values will give me 12? Either this can be 6 and 6, or this can be 6 and 5, all combinations making 12. But if I give it some value, say 15 plus 23, will that give me 12? No.
No,
That
ma'am.
means this thing does not hold true for all values of x and y, no? But identity is such a thing for all values, which whatever value you put for x and y, the left hand side will always be equal to the right hand side. This is the meaning of identity. Okay. Yes, we talk about universal laws, no? Universal laws means which is applicable everywhere. Throughout the universe, whatever we do, the laws are applicable. So like that in mathematics, here we have for all values of x and y, these identities will hold true. Hold true means left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay, ये मतलब होता है आइडेंटिटीज का. अब आपको समझ में आया क्या मतलब होता है आइडेंटिटीज? क्या होती हैं आइडेंटिटीज? हाउ आर दे डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर इक्वेशंस? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Identities are those value, those formulae या identities that holds true for all values of x and y. Holding true का मतलब है that left side of the equal to sign is equal to the right side of the equal to sign. ठीक है? दोनों sides equal होती हैं for whatever value of x and y, for all values of x and y. Either they are positive or they are negative or any other value. Right? It can even be fraction, it can even be irrational number, rational number, anything. Okay, bache? Yes,
Okay,
Janvi,
ma'am.
you understood? Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
great. Anyone has any doubt till here? Rohit,
No.
who else is there? Sampath, Jitendra,
No, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
great. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
have you
No
understood
doubts.
this? Any doubts in this so
No,
far?
ma'am.
Great. So we'll move on to the exercise part. We'll do some questions and then you will understand the things more better. Okay. Just let me take the eraser. Eraser say just clean this place. Okay. Okay. So let's see the question part. Now use suitable identity to find the following products. Now here the question is saying you use suitable property, identity. So whichever identity suits the best in this, that you have to choose. How will you choose? You have a set of identity, 10 set of identities with you, is it? So if I give you a question, x plus 4 into x plus 10, which identity you think will follow in this? You see the identities. You have all identities written in your notebook now, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So think
Ma'am,
of
we will use X plus A into X plus B identity.
so see, just by looking at it, हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा लग रहा है कि इसको ऐसी सी इमेज आ रही है x plus A into x plus B, ऐसा फील हो रहा है ना? देखने से ही पता लग रहा है. Okay, so that means we will use this identity. This is not equal to, so we will use this identity, right? Okay, now what is this identity here? Write the complete identity in your notebooks. X square plus A plus B x plus A into B. Is it like this? Yes? Do the expansion
ma'am.
of this. Do the expansion of this.
Ma'am, it will be x square plus 14x
Four
plus
plus 10 is
14.
14x plus 4 into 10, that is 40. So this is what we have got.
Ma'am, can we simplify it further? We can't, right?
No, we are not asked to. We can find the values of x here. Okay, but that is not asked in this question. That we will do if in case we are asked to find out the value of x to factorize this. Okay. Okay. But in this case, we are not asked. It's just said that use suitable identity to find the product. So this is the product. Okay, we are not asked here in this question to find the factors. Suppose we are asked to find the factors, we already know the factors here. X plus 4 and x plus 10 are already the factors. Okay. Okay, now I'm giving you another one. This is y square plus 3 by 2 and y square a square minus b square. Others also, please give your answers. I just don't want answers only from one person. Everyone should answer. So here in this is x square term, this is y a, this is b. Okay. So what can we do here? We can write our a square
Ma'am,
as
we can write as y square minus 3 by 2 also.
so here a is y square and y square ka square minus we have 3 by 2 square. Okay, like this we can write. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So we get the above thing here. So we don't need to write this because this is already given here. So we don't
Ma'am,
need to
why have you written y square raised to 2?
see this. This is a square. The identity is a square minus b square. When we split it, we get a plus b into a minus b. This is a, this is a here, this is b here. But when we are writing a square here like this in this part, so a is y square. So we need to write a square, no? So we'll write y square, the whole square. Got it? Okay, let's move to question 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Evaluate the product using the property. Okay, evaluate using property. Not property, identity. Just think of whichever identity you can apply. This is 103 into 107. So how can we write this? We can write 103 as 100 plus 3.
Yes,
100 plus
ma'am.
3 into 100 plus 7.
That also we can write. So which identity you think will follow here? X
Ma'am,
plus A.
x plus a into x plus b.
कुछ लग रहा है ना ऐसा x plus A and here x plus B ऐसा सा कुछ लग रहा है? Is it? So that means here x is 100 and A is 3 and B is 7. So जब ऐसी identity होती है हमारे पास, then we do the product. So that becomes x square plus A plus B x into x plus A into B. Janvi, are you understanding the things? It's your first class with us. Please unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so in place of x, we can write 100 square, right? And then we have a plus b, that is 3 plus 7. X is 100 plus a into b, that is 3 into 7. Okay. And then you get 100 square will be 10,000 plus 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 into 100 will be 1,000 plus 7 3 is 21. So just add them and get your answer. क्या मिलेगा आंसर 1 2 then 100 place पे 0 है.
Ma'am, 11021.
Like this. No, this is 1 1 here. No, 1000 we have 11021. Okay, this is 1. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, can you do for 95 into 96? Huh? Can you do this?
Yeah.
And similarly for 104 into 96 also you can do.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
can be written 100 plus 4 and this can be written 100 minus 4. Is it? So which identity follows here? X plus A into X minus A plus B.
Ma'am, can't we take 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6 as well?
90
Ma'am, we
plus
can.
also, yes, that also you can do. You can do with 100 also. 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4. You can do with 90 also. But we take normally 100, tens, such type of numbers so that our calculation becomes easy then. Okay? Otherwise, even if you take 90, that's not wrong. Only thing is to make the calculation easier. Okay.
Ma'am, so we'll write it as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4.
That also you can do. Does that follow any identity then? If you're doing 100 minus 5.
No, ma'am, it will not get any identity.
This is not following any identity, no? The identity is x plus a and x minus b. So better use 90 then. Okay? Use 90 then. Because that will give you the same identity, x plus a and x plus b. Okay, children. So today's class is still here. Right? Tomorrow we'll do some more identities, questions based on some more
Ma'am,
identities.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, suppose we take 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Won't we get the answer in negative?
We can get 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4, but that is not following any identity, no? We don't
Yes, ma'am.
have any identity with x minus a and x minus b. So you do with 90. Okay? Okay, children, thank you for today. See you tomorrow. We have a class tomorrow. And please, and this Sunday you have a subjective test. The topic given in Sunday's test is the chapter polynomials only. And by then we'll complete this exercise also. You have the complete chapter coming up. Okay? Janvi? Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, bache. I hope today's class was helpful to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Please practice. Do a lot of practice. Bye. See you all.
Bye.
Bye, bache.